Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change track changes color in Word document. So first you need to click on the review tab and click on the tracking group and make sure track changes should be turned on. And then head to the display for review, click on this arrow and should be all markup. And in the show markup you need to ensure comments insertion and deletion and formatting should be checked on, and then click on this small arrow and click on the advanced options. So in the advanced track changes option you can change the underline color to the color of your choice, for example yellow, and you can change the deletion or strike color to the pink, and comments color can change to the violet, and then click OK to proceed and click OK to proceed, and here you can see that the track color has been changed from red to the violet. If you want to go to back, go to the tracking, click on the tracking arrow, click on the advanced option, and you can change it to the by author like this one. Click OK and click OK, and these are the default track changes color. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can change track changes color in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.